Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the DBPOWER DJS50 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product: the powerful and compact jump start your vehicle, up to 7.2 liters gas or 5.5 liters diesel engine, up to 30 times with peak 2,000 amperes of peak current in heavy-duty clamps and cables. Compact enough to store in your glove box. Smart charging port. With 18,000 milliampere hours capacity and a smart USB port, it can fully charge your smartphones, tablets, and other devices at the fastest speed possible. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the DBPOWER DJS50, battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, on-off button, function key, LED flashlight, LCD screen, output port, 5 volts or 2.1 ampere, USB output, 5 volts or 2.4 ampere, USB output. Red emergency light, 15 volts or 1 ampere DC input port. Compass, 12 volts or 400 ampere jumping port. Jumper clamps. How to use. Turn on your jump starter and ensure it has a charge of over 50%. Charge fully before initial use. Insert jumper cables into the jumping port. The indicator light is flashing green. When the red light is continuously on and the buzzer sounds every second, then the device needs to be charged before it can be used. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal of the car battery. The indicator light will change from a green flashing light to a continuously on. Start your engine and remove clamps and pack away. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.